bamalunga nama-30 abaqhankqalazi abangene ezitalatweni zaseGqeberha, uninzi lwabo ingabafundi, bebambe umngcelele onoxolo noyinxalenye yokumiswa kweentshukumo kuzwelonke ngelokufuna kuthathwe amanyathelo ngobuqhophololo norhwaphilizo nokunyanzelisa ukubanjwa kweenkokheli ezityholwa ngokuphula umthetho. Umququzeleli walo mngcelele Gqeberha uLondolozi Peter uthi emva kwale mingcelele ibanjwe kuzwelonke bafuna ukubona utshintsho.
We want a fix to the rand floor. We want the rand to go back to the actual value that it's supposed to be of 7 rand to the dollar. There is currently an investigation into the banks that would have most likely inflated the rand into the wrong price. Now, first and foremostly, we want the rand to go back to the way that it's supposed to be. Secondly, a lot of people may be looking at it and saying that changing the rand may not make much of a difference, but given the time to acclimatize, citizens will be able to get a better experience in terms of cost of living, with the reduction in cost of living. So one of the things that we are demanding is that all rising costs be put on a 180-day freeze. Again, as I said, this would enable citizens to acclimatize to the new change with 7 rand coming into the dollar.
Omnye wabathathi nxaxheba kulo mngcelele uAnathi Pani uthi wonele zizithembiso ezenziwa ngurhulumente engazifezekisiyo. Uthi iindleko zokuphila kweli zingaphaya.
So the reason I partake in this march is because of they take us off fools as in Luchalala South Africa. So we want to show them that we're not fools, we are aware of what they are doing. And sithathele nxaxheba apha siphakamela loo nto leyo yokuba basithatha as fools, and we want them to take us seriously. We need jobs as black people. You get my point? So that's why I decided to take inxaxheba kule nto. Like for instance, ngoku kuvele into yokuba i-rand was supposed to be 7 rands up in South Africa, but isiphi thina is it 18 rands or something. Uyayibona loo nto? So siphakamile nje sifuna ibuyele kula 7 rand. It can't be 18 rands while it was supposed to be that 7 rands. So that's why ndiphakamile nami ndaqonda uba mandizothatha inxaxheba.
Omnye umqhankqalazi nongafunanga ukuvela kumabonakude uthi uMzantsi Afrika awulawulwa ngendlela efanelekileyo.
And another thing that I am here for today is the fact that I'm a student, and when I leave here, I do not know if I have security for employment. The number of unemployed people in South Africa is too high. It's alarmingly high, and our government is just sitting on their hands. So uchincho that I would like to see is old people out of power, guys. Put youth in. Let us, the people who are in tune with the issues the challenges that we are facing, let us take charge, because ngoku it's beyond the joke. More youth within government, people who are in tune with the situations and the challenges that we are faced with. We can't be bringing challenges to you and you tell us to eat cake. That is unacceptable. Cyril Ramaphosa must resign. Unfortunately, it's been 2 terms and he's proven to be a failure. He needs to leave.
Is South Africa transforming towards an inclusive economy? Indaba inika urhulumente iintsuku ezintlanu ukuba aphendule kwizikhalazo abakhalaza ngazo. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV, ndinguKhanya Ngayo, eGqeberha.